Hello everyone and welcome to Monthly Debt Market Insights. I am Mansi Karya. The US 10-year yield climbed and remained volatile throughout mid-2025, peaking at 4.5%. Investor sentiment was rattled through fresh credit rating downgrades, persistent fears over escalating fiscal concerns, and renewed fears of potential tariff increases. The Reserve Bank of India today reduced its repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.5% in its monetary policy meeting. Accordingly, the standing deposit facility rate shifted to 5.25% and marginal standing facility rate to 5.75%. Additionally, RBI has shifted its stance to neutral from accommodative. The central bank also announced the reduction in its cash reserve ratio by 100 basis points to 3%. This will be implemented in stages. This will gradually inject Rs 2.5 lakh crore liquidity into the banking system. Inflation projection has been revised downward to 3.7% from 4% projected in the previous meeting. They have maintained the GDP projection to 6.5% for financial year 26. Banking liquidity remained in surplus throughout May 2025, aided by OMOs and daily VRRs. The RBI has announced a record dividend of Rs 2.68 lakh crore to the government. India's inflation eased to 3.16% in April 2025 from 3.34% in March 25, mainly due to food and commodity prices. Food inflation eased to 1.78% in April 2025 with a broad-based reduction in price across food categories. This is the lowest food inflation since October 2021. With inflation at multi-year lows and the favorable environment prompted RBI to focus on growth. Money market yields are expected to stay low due to ample liquidity, reduced supply of issuances and increased demand among participants. The 10-year government yield improved to 6.2%, reflecting a substantial narrowing of spreads with US Treasury securities. Corporate bond yields have declined across the curve, with the shorter end getting the most benefit. Thank you.
Follow us on our social media for our latest videos and updates. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.